big dunes on the right and Walvis Bay straight ahead. Wow. This morning, remove the pedals from Felicity because my friend Leon is taking me to the dunes with a fat bike.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be nice.
Sweet! Bike reunion. Flamingos. Pink flamingos. Flamingos. Technical problems. Look at this beast.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Kijk, wacht jong. Yeah, it's great.
But it doesn't look that steep, and even if you look it on the video, it doesn't look that steep.
Yeah, no, but it
Go
is.
stand on the top there.
Yeah. When you stand up there, it's like, oh.
Stand down here.
But the thing is, when you arrive there, the first bit, the sand, yeah, you lose like the front.
You just skip it and...
Yeah. Guys, this is what happens when you get when you get old. Two kids, two fat bikes, and you're gone. Good morning. I think my host in Walvis Bay saw me a little bored yesterday and he organized a boat tour for me today. So let's go.
Female. Oh, okay. So 4 females. Male's much bigger. I mean, a lot bigger. God, yeah. The dark grey black back. Yeah.
This is how I fix my fork. It was a free fix. So there was a brace on this side that is now missing because it snapped. When my jacket fell in with the pressure, it pushed this out and broke this brace on this eyelet that there was on this side. So now it's been welded. They did a welding job and it was welded here and here, and there is a little hole in the middle. Don't know if you guys can see. It's a temporary fix, it's not a permanent solution, but I hope it will hold up for the time being, and should it snap again, I will just fix it again and keep going till Egypt. The welding job didn't last. Back to Walvis Bay and probably Swakop or Walvis Bay for a new fork or a new rack or both. Yeah, I think I'm cursed. I'm back in Walvis Bay. I washed the bike. It was full of sand, and as you can see, and the fork snapped again. So we might have found a solution. Move the bracket, well, not move it, but extend it so it goes into the quick release. Good morning from Walvis Bay. I'm packed again and I'm good to go. Let's hope this will hold. Well, it only lasted 50 kilometers and 260 meters. So on my way back to Antis, I just got a lift from Swakop to where I had stopped basically almost 4 or 5 days ago. I got a new bracket done that instead of having a bolt with the eyelet that was here, the bracket now goes into the quick release, so it should be a permanent fix, I think. We'll see, but hopefully now I'm good to go. It's windy and dusty. It's gonna be tough today. Not too bad, not too bad.